uthi ibangcwele
for I am holy.
ngoba mina ngingcwele.
This same master
Lo mninindlu lona
in
ofanayo
the book of Isaiah,
encwadini kaIsaya
we read about the prophet Isaiah
sithola ke ngomprofeti
who
uIsaya
is taken up unto heaven,
okhethwayo iswe ezulwini.
and he acknowledges ukuthi now nangu
Uthi
uNkulunkulu.
yes, this is God.
Oh, look at the place around
Uthi
him.
buka indawo
His
engihaqile.
robe is even on the floor. Heaven is full of angels
Izulu ligcwele
who
ingelosi
sing to him day and night and say, holy.
abacula usuku nemini bethi
For
ungcwele.
it has been revealed to me
Usembuliwe
that there
kimi
is a God.
ukuthi
This
kunoNkulunkulu.
God
Lo
is
nkulunkulu
holy.
ungcwele.
What then do I do?
Ngenza
My
njani?
response is,
Ukuphendula kwami
oh
kuthi
Lord, woe is me.
uthi maya Nkosi
I am
kimi.
a man
Ngiyindoda
unclean lips.
indebe zakhe singcolile.
When you come
Uma ufika
in the presence of the master,
ebukhoneni bomninindlu
cleanse the vessel.
hlanza izitsha. My God. Ela masanta.
The angels say,
Ingelosi zithi
holy, holy, holy is the Lord God Almighty.
ungcwele ungcwele uNkulunkulu namandla onke.
The earth
Umhlaba
is full of his glory.
ugcwele inkazimulo yakhe.
Cleanse the vessel.
Hlanza isitsha.
Cleanse the vessel.
Hlanza isitsha.
That's my message to you today.
Umyalezo wami namhlanje.
Cleanse the vessel.
Hlanza isitsha.
Because the vessel
Ngoba isitsha
must give glory
kumele sinikeze
to
inkazimulo
God.
kuNkulunkulu. Elama santa
He is
labas.
holy,
Ungcwele,
holy,
ungcwele,
holy.
ungcwele.
And thus as a vessel,
Ngakho ke njengezitsha
after you have cleansed yourself,
emva kokuthi uyihlanzile
be holy.
iba ngcwele.
This woman, we read about her.
Lo sifazane sifunda ngaye
She runs.
uyagijima.
She doesn't have a sermon.
Akabi nentshumayelo.
She doesn't bring in what God did not tell her.
Akalethi uNkulunkulu angamtshelanga khona.
In fact, you know what the mystery is?
Kahle kahle uyayibona into imfihlakalo.
She doesn't even tell them
Akabatsheli ngisho ukubatshela
what he said to her
into abatshele
about herself.
amtshele yona ngaye.
She says, come see a man.
Uthi wozani nizobona indoda.
The prophet Isaiah
Umprofeti uIsaya
was only commissioned
ubenikezwe ke umlawulo
after
emva
he
kokuthi
repented.
ephendukile.
This woman
Lo wesifazane
was only commissioned
ubenikezwe umlawu
after
emva
her
kokuthi
sin had been dealt with.
isono sakhe sekubhekenwe naso.